In the last 2 years, the number of health apps available to consumers has nearly doubled, reaching 318,000. Thanks to major tech developments, healthcare is being put back in the hands of consumers. Digital therapeutics, aka software as drugs, are the latest trend to shake up medicine and have the potential to disrupt not only how we receive treatment, but also how we pay for it. Software as drugs refers to a fresh type of mobile tech where apps and smart devices are being deployed to treat and diagnose conditions such as diabetes, asthma, heart disease, and addiction.
We're really just at the beginning of a digital revolution that will make the use of wearables and other digital therapeutics commonplace.
Of the hundreds of health apps available, 40% could be categorized as digital therapeutics. 20% of American households now own wearable fitness trackers. In the medical community, all eyes are on not if, but when digital drugs take off as the next wave of treatment. Because doctors delivering medicine digitally, right through your smartphone or smartwatch, well, that's disruptive. In a recent collaboration, United Healthcare teamed up with Dexcom on a device that helps people with diabetes manage their condition.
It's about arming people with information in real time that can enable them to make lifestyle choices that will positively impact their health and ultimately help reduce the healthcare costs for our country.
Digital health apps for even a few patient populations could save the U.S. healthcare system an estimated $7 billion each year. At the same time, these tools could enhance and simplify data flow between patients and care providers, resulting in more accurate diagnoses and better treatment without the side effects.
We are on the cusp of change where small sensors, understanding how physiology works on a person, and moving healthcare from a clinic to the patients itself is the wave that's going to change in the future.
The idea behind digital therapeutics, such as this wearable blood pressure monitor by Omron, is that you can harness software to improve healthcare and patient experience.
When you go to your doctor and he puts that cuff on your upper arm and he inflates it, it's the same technology, we've just miniaturized it into the size of a watch. Long term, we want to be able to develop AI and machine learning, how we take all that data that's collected and turn that into feedback. So as you're trying to figure out how to make those behavior adjustments in your life, that we can give you recommendations.
While certain studies have shown predictive analytics and software can improve patient care, there are still regulatory hurdles these apps will have to clear.
These are what we consider OTC, over-the-counter. Blood pressure monitors are not reimbursable through payers, so this is something that if your physician says that you should be using it, that you would have to go out and purchase it on your own.
Given all the work that's happening in this field, we needed to look at a completely new way of overseeing this type of products. Given that the speed is very different, the volume is very different.
To help address this challenge, that is, the rapid pace at which tech evolves, the FDA is piloting a software pre-certification program. Think of it kind of like TSA PreCheck, to fast-track the rollout of new medical software.
What we're trying to do with our programs and initiatives at FDA is like, how do we accelerate that in a way that's responsible? Then we can then allow certain types of products made by these companies to go straight to market.
As health-conscious Americans turn to digital tools for help with their well-being, the medical community is taking note.